Fed up with the red in your portfolio? Brace yourself for a game-changing scalping strategy that's not just simple, but also consistently profitable. Join us now and unlock the secret to make money in trading. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. So open up TradingView without the hitch. Eager to explore the charts that await you. Choose any chart you are interested in and select the time frame that suits your trading style. Now, here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the indicator section and search for the almost smoothed Gaussian moving average. This isn't just any indicator, it's the first piece of our profitable strategy puzzle. But wait, before you start using it, there's one crucial step left. You need to optimize it from the settings section. This is the key to unlocking its full potential and making it work for your unique trading approach. Now let's get down to business. Picture this, a green candle appears after a buy signal. This is your cue to open a long position. Similarly, a red candle following a sell signal is your green light to open a short position. But hold on a second, this indicator also gives counter-trend signals. However, we should never trade against the trend due to a higher probability of winning trades in the direction of the trend. So we need to find a solution to this issue. But before that, you can find the best strategies I've ever created in the playlist I linked above this video. Now let's get back to the business. Now, to solve the counter-trend signal issue, simply go back to the indicator section and add the trendy low LSMA band example indicator. After that, head over to its settings and optimize it just like I do. This will help us identify longer term trends and stay safe from minor fluctuations. Now let's dive deeper into this strategy and start making those profits. So, you might be wondering how we do identify the trend. It's as easy as pie. Just take a look at the color of the trendy low indicator line. If it's red and the candles are below this line, congratulations, you're just easily identify the downward trend. Now, if the line is green and the price is above it, naturally, it's an upward trend. So, since we don't trade against the trend, the rules are such that if we want to enter a long position, we should wait for a buy signal and then a green candle. Next, we should be following an upward trend, which means the price should be above the green trendy low line. You now have a confirmed buy signal. So what are you waiting for? Open your buy position. But quickly after opening your position, set a stop loss for your trade to avoid incurring excessive losses. For this, the recent swing low is a logical choice. Then, before the market takes back our trade profit, we should exit the trade with the profit. So, set a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the target, so that as soon as the price reaches this level, we exit the trade with profit. And if you're looking to enter a short position, here's what you need to do. First, keep an eye out for a sell signal, followed by a red candle. This is your first clue. Next, ensure you're in line with a downward trend, which means the price should be below the red trendy low line. Alright, you got yourself a confirmed sell signal. Don't hesitate, open your short position now. Just as you open your position, don't forget to set a stop loss to protect your trade from any unexpected market movements. A smart choice for this would be the recent swing high. And remember, don't let the market snatch away your profits. Make sure to exit the trade while you're still in profit. So, set a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for your target. So, as soon as the price hits this level, it's time to exit the trade and enjoy your earnings. But remember, you can apply this method to any chart and time frame. For instance, you could use it for the Ethereum chart with a 15-minute time frame. Or even you can use this strategy for pound yen chart with a 30-minute time frame. But if you're seeking higher profits and consistent earnings with a scalping strategy, you definitely need to watch this video. And also, if you're interested in having our exclusive strategy with 6 months of support, just send us a message on Telegram.